LED downlights. There are so many on the market right now, and they're in almost every room you go into. So what makes this one different? This IP65 fire-rated downlight stands out in a number of ways. So why don't we have a look at it and see how it can make your life easier on site? The main benefit of this downlight is there's no need to hold 5 or 6 different downlights in your van. Multi-CCT, multi-wattage and different coloured bezels allow you to have the right downlight for the right situation. Sometimes the hardest part about using downlights is creating the right scene in the right space. With this downlight, you have the option to choose from 4 different colour temperatures, ranging from 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin. This allows you to create the right space with the right colour temperature. Now sometimes downlights in your room can be a little bit too bright, but that's fine. With the multi-wattage switch, you can choose between 6 watt output and 4 watt output. And if you need to dial it in any further, why not use a trailing or leading edge dimmer to dim the light down? Now, are you a little bit bored of just the standard white bezel in your ceiling? Well, that's fine. With an easy twist, the bezel comes off and you can change it to one of these bezels that we have here, from black to chrome, white, satin chrome or antique brass. So you can find the right colour to liven up your room. Now, if you're installing downlights at scale, you understand how important a first fix connector is. So with a simple press of the button on the back, the push fit terminals release. This allows you to do your first fix wiring, wire straight into your push fit terminals, and then at a later time, walk around and simply plug your downlight in, saving time and having consistency across multiple fittings. With the tilt version, you can direct light exactly where it's needed whilst maintaining IP rating, meaning that you can still comply with all installation regulations. Now yes, it's a downlight, but it's not just any downlight. If you're looking for the right downlight for the job, with flexibility without the confusing spec, this is the downlight for you.